Hey all, welcome back to my channel That Glam Mom. This is Pooja. I hope you all are doing well. So this video is all about summer pants, and summer pants are those pants which are breathable, sustainable and give you camouflage look. So in this video I'll show you some pants which are really breathable, comfortable yet stylish, and these are replacements of skinny jeans, slim fit jeans. I always avoid to style body hugging clothing during summer, and I prefer these kinds of pants to beat the heat. So let's start with this pleated palazzo pant in burgundy shade. The fabric of this pant is very soft, very comfortable. I bought this pant from Kohl's, the top as well. And I prefer to carry this burgundy shade with beige color or any neutral color. I got this bag from Estee Lauder and this goes so well with this outfit. Next one is a striped pant which is in black and white shade, and it gives you formal look and you can style this in your workstation. Initially this pant was in full length, but I cut it down and folded the hem to get the ankle length pant, because I feel the ankle length pant looks smarter than full length pants. I styled this pant with a beautiful off-white top. It has a beautiful neckline and it is in cold shoulder style. I chose this long red danglers with this look and the overall attire from Macy's: top, pant, footwear, earrings, including the bag. In third look, I styled this printed palazzo, which is again from Kohl's. So I styled this pant with a solid teal top, which is again from kohls.com. For this look, I chose brown booties and brown bag, which are complementing to each other, and both are from Macy's. I jazzed up this look with a silver chunky jewelry to give a finish and complete look. So always go for silver jewelry whenever you style teal color, indigo blue color, like green tone or blue tone. So they look really awesome, really beautiful with silver jewelry, and go for it. In this last look guys, this is a boho pant with a vibrant shade and it has a long slit. It's a wide leg pant and it has an elastic waist, so which is very comfortable, and the fabric of the pant is very soft, very good material it is. So this pant is apt for summer and spring season, and I styled with a solid pink tees which is from Nautica. So this type of pants comes with the belt, which is for look only, although it has elastic, so no need to worry about that. By the way, this pant is also from Kohl's. This video is going to be Kohl's haul, isn't it? I styled with these black pumps and some silver jewelry. This silver choker looks really beautiful with this overall attire. I really love that. I styled this solid tees with this printed pant because it is a hit combination, that is solid with printed. Print on print doesn't look that much good. This jasmine bag can be converted into a portly bag and a crossbody bag, and it is from Amazon. So guys, this was all about the summer pants which are low in budget and high in demand. And yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit a like button, subscribe my channel with the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload my new video. And I'll see you in my next. Till then, खुद से प्यार करें, खुद का ध्यान रखें. Bye bye.